So hello everyone, this is Professor Shekhar Wagmade. I have completed my MTech in CVP College Pune. So here I will discuss previous year GATE questions on general aptitude. So let us see question number 1, that is the real variables x, y, z and the real constants p, q, r satisfies x divided by pq minus r square is equal to y divided by qr minus p square is equal to z divided by rp minus q square. Given the denominators are non-zero, and what they want, the value of px plus qy plus rz is equal to how much, and they are given four options. So A option is PQR, B option is 1, C option is P square plus Q square plus R square, and D option is 0. So how to deal with these questions? Let us see. So look at this, what they want, Px plus Qy plus Rz, and look at this first condition, second condition and third condition. If I multiply first this variable by p and divided by p, then what will I get? So first condition is x divided by pq minus r square, and if I assume that this whole terms is yes, because my name is Shekhar, that's why I assume that this whole term is yes. If I multiply by p and divided by p, then what will happen? Just 1 minute. Multiply by p divided by p, then what will happen? So I got a px value. So here is p and here is the x value, and if I multiply by these whole terms, and after that multiplication, if I move this right side, then what will happen? So px is equal to s into, so this p multiply by bracket p, so this is p square q minus, so p into r square. Am I right? So same thing for second term also. So what is second term? Y divided by qr minus p square, and again I am assume that this is yes value. So I assume that this is yes value, right? And if I multiply by q terms, why? Because I want qx here. If I multiply by q and divided by q, then it is not happen on this entire equation. So that's why I multiply and divided by these terms. Now what I get? So py, so these terms, so p into y, and is equal to, so if I multiply q into these whole terms, then what will happen? So and s terms is moving this side, so s multiply by this q and this q, so q square into r minus p into q, so p square into q. So I got px value, I got qy value, and remaining is rx. Now what should I do? I will choose another color. So next term is, so z divided by rp minus q square, and again I will assume that this whole term is nothing but yes. And if I multiply again which value? R value, r, and divided by r, there is not happen on these entire terms. So what I get? So rz is equal to, so this whole terms is moving this yes side, so yes multiply by, if I multiply r into r, so entire term is r square p minus r into q square. So if I add px, py and pz, then I will get these four options. Any option is there. So what should I do? Just 1 minute. Now next, so what is px value? So px plus py plus pz is equal to how much? So what is px value? Just 1 minute. what is px value? Yes. If I here is yes, here is yes, here is, if I take a yes common, then what will happen? Just 1 minute. Yes common from all terms. So what is remaining? So q square p square q minus p r square. So from first terms, p square q minus r square p from first term, right? P square q minus p r square, okay, from first term. Now second term is q square r minus p square q. Okay, just 1 minute. Plus q square r minus q square r minus p square q. So p square q. Okay, fine. Next is, so r square p minus r q square plus r square p minus q r square. Am I right? Just I will. Okay, not r square, this is q square r. Okay, fine. Here q square r, right? Now look at this. So here is a p square q, here is a, just one I will say, here is p square q, here is p square q. This and this whole term is cancelled. Here is r square p plus value and minus r square p plus minus value. So this plus and this minus cancel out, right? So again q square r plus, and here is q square r minus, this terms and this term is cancel out. So s multiply by 0 and any terms multiply by, so 0 terms multiply by any value, that is 0. So px plus py plus pz. So what is answer? It is 0. So which option is correct? Just, so here is D option is correct. Thank you.